retrieve some safety equipment that we bought for the boat at some guy's house up this little channel. Hopefully we make it out alive.
Do you like these boats, Frank?
Yeah. Devices that we've got for our crossing to the Bahamas, and they are made by ACR Electronics, and this one is a personal locator beacon, and it sends a signal when you activate it. It sends a signal to the Coast Guard and other emergency services, and you better be sure that you need the help because the planes are going in the air at that point. This one is called an OLS tag, and it basically puts a geofence circle around your cell phone, and when the fob exits that geofence, it sends an alarm to your phone and lets you know that someone's overboard or at least far enough away. So we're going to use it for both man overboard and to track Lucie, because it also works on land, hiking, wherever you are.
Cool.
Yeah.